Hello everyone. We will start with statistical function now, and in that we have different functions such as basic functions. Then we have some small, large, rank, percentile rank. Then we have random, random between, sum product, and there are more such as count if, sum if as, count if as, average if. We have already covered this in one of the previous videos, so we will not cover that in this. So we will look in this particular video, we will look at basic stat functions, and we will have more videos for other functions which are mentioned over here. So let's see for the basic stat functions. So basic stat functions are count, average, maximum, minimum, then a percentile to find out what is the percentage in the given data, then to find median, there is a mode, there is a standard deviation, and there is a variance. So these functions we will look at, and these are syntax which are simple syntax, and you can keep a note about it, take a screenshot of this so you can refer it later. So we will do practical these formulas, and then we will in next video move to other. So we had this data from previous video if you referred previous one. So we were doing some um, calculation for donations. So now what we'll do, we will look at is total count of total donations. So total number of donations is a simple, we will use count till the end. What we'll do is we will give a name to this donation, to the range. We'll write count donation. So basically this is number, we'll change the format. It's general number. There are 258 donations in this row. Here's the average of donation, how much average donation we have received. I will write donation. What is the maximum donation we received? We have received 9,920 pounds maximum. What is minimum donation? So what is percentile? Uh, Percentile would be so from this data, the maximum number, the maximum donation amount would be the 100 percentile. Or based on that, it will figure out what the percentile you are looking for. Suppose I am looking for a 75 percentile. I will just change the question here. If it is 75 percentile, I will donation, and I want 75 percentile. I'll put 0.75 and I'll close the bracket. So here the highest we found was 9,920. So 75 percentile of um, in this data, in this donation is approximately 75 is 7,770, 7,770. So if you look at 10 percentile, at 10th percentage, the donation amount is something around 1,247% pound. Now median. Median is the middle number of the particular range which is sorted. We will do median over here. We have already given a range name, so we'll write donation. We will close it. So this is the median. Now we will look at the mode. Mode is Obviously we have studied this in school. Mood is the number that has occurred more times in this list. So if there is a number that is occurred more than any other number, that will come as a mode in this. So we will do the mode function. Um, so 2,500 pound has been repeated in this list of donation. That's the reason we have got mode. So now we will look at the standard deviation. Standard deviation is a function where you can find our data where it is spread around median. So if you have a certain data, so standard deviation will be always spread around the median of that data. STDEV, select standard deviation and donation. So this, so 2811.97 standard deviation for the whole donation. And then variance. Variance is basically it's a square of standard deviation. The number would be very high, but still we will donation and we will close this. So you see the numbers would be very high for variation. So that's it from here, and we will look at other function in the next video. Thank you.